In the beginning, cars were made simpler. Their jobs were to get us from point A to point B. But now there's so much technology in them, they would leave early mechanics' heads spinning. With those advancements come real costs, breakdown repairs. That's why we're in the CarShield era. Over 20 years ago, CarShield set out on a mission to help to protect drivers from paying for car repairs that no one can afford. Now, they've helped save drivers over $1 billion on car repairs.
CarShield is America's most trusted auto protection company and helps get your covered repairs paid. Affordable monthly plans protect up to 5,000 parts and systems and offer nationwide protection with a network of local and trusted technicians.
CarShield has saved our customers thousands of dollars.
CarShield saved my family almost $1,700 just in the very first visit.
When you look at how car repairs are only getting more expensive, it makes more sense now than ever to get protection on your out-of-warranty vehicle.
Protect your vehicle from unexpected breakdowns with one simple call to CarShield. Get your free quote when you call right now.
The longer you own a vehicle, the more likely a breakdown will happen. And once you're a CarShield customer, you get exclusive access to the CarShield app, where you can find a trusted service center near you, receive repair updates, and so much more.
With CarShield, not only will your covered repairs get paid, each plan comes with nationwide 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options too, so you're taken care of from start to finish. Plus, when you call today, you can lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee.
It's time for you to step into the CarShield era, where drivers can drive where they want, when they want, with the protection they deserve. That's why I chose CarShield. Call now and get your free quote, and get the protection you need against vehicle breakdown. Don't wait. Call now.
Get covered repairs paid. Call CarShield now for your free quote and to lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee. Call now. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.